January of 2021, we headed to the town of Hurricane, Utah for 3 days of dual sport riding. After a cold 29-degree Fahrenheit blast up the highway, we soon found ourselves on the 2-track out towards Gooseberry Mesa. Alright, so we stopped right here. We're going to try and get out to this viewpoint out at the end here. A lot of trails in the middle, so see how it goes. You guys warm up a little bit?
All good.
So dude, what were you doing out on that cliff out there?
Just hanging out. You told me to look natural, so I adjusted my goggles. That's what I want to do on the side of a 10,000 foot cliff.
Eventually we made it up to an overlook on Gooseberry Mesa. We could see the highway below us that we had ridden a few hours earlier. As the shadows started to get longer, we headed back into town after an epic first day of riding.
Whoa! Oh
boy. On the second day of our trip, we headed south of town into the Sand Hollow riding area. Alright, so we just hit this big sand section. I'm already tired. We've been on the trail for about 20 minutes. The sand is really difficult to ride because it's super soft, and then you hit a patch of slick rock and you go from having no traction to about 100% traction, so you got to be careful with the throttle for sure.
Yeah, I had a couple really good ones, and it feels really good when you're digging in and all of a sudden you get the good roost. Then it's just your front end tucks and you're whoosh. Nothing you can do. The bike feels like it's about 3,000 pounds at that point. Oh, all good.
Once we made it to the southern end of the sand dunes, we headed into some slick rock for some more technical riding.
Just let it roll.
Yeah, once you get to the crest, let go of the front brake.
So we gotta go up this thing back here?
Yeah, we do. We have to go up that. That was one of the sketchier things I remember.
That thing over there?
Yeah.
Straight up it? There's no way. Well, fortunately for me, we were able to find a bypass to the really steep rocky section. After a long day on our bikes, we headed back into town. On the last day of our trip, we headed north up to the Tocqueville Falls. All along the Tocqueville Twister Trail, there are many side canyons to explore. We finally made it to the Tocqueville Falls, and now it was time to head back down the canyon. There are about 25 river crossings on the way back down the canyon. We were lucky to be riding in the middle of January as the water level was pretty low. Rider down. Even though the water level was relatively low, we still managed to find some hidden potholes and ledges.
Oh boy, rider down. After 3 long days on our bikes, we were happy to get back to the hotel in one piece.